To link Exness to TradingView, you need to follow a series of steps that will allow you to connect your Exness account to your TradingView account. First, you need to create an account on both Exness and TradingView if you have not already done so. Once you have your accounts set up, go to the Exness website and log into your account. Next, navigate to the Settings or API section of your Exness account, where you will find the API keys or tokens. You will need these to connect your Exness account to TradingView. Copy the API key or token as you will need to enter it into TradingView. Now, log into your TradingView account and navigate to the Connections or Brokers section. Search for Exness in the list of available brokers and select it. You will then be prompted to enter your Exness API key or token. Paste the API key or token you copied earlier into the required field and click Connect. Once you have connected your Exness account to TradingView, you will be able to access your Exness account balances and trade history directly from TradingView. You can also use TradingView to place trades on your Exness account, giving you access to a wide range of technical analysis tools and indicators. To get the most out of linking your Exness account to TradingView, it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the TradingView platform and its various features. This includes learning how to use the different charts and indicators, as well as how to set up alerts and notifications. By doing so, you can use TradingView to enhance your trading experience and make more informed trading decisions. It is also important to note that you should only share your API key or token with trusted sources, as it gives access to your account information. Keep your API key or token secure and do not share it with anyone you do not trust. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully link your Exness account to TradingView and start using the platform to enhance your trading experience.